Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to add custom wardrobe, plus mods, and plus materials, and so much more. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. So the first thing, you're just going to have your Unity project, and then you're going to want to duplicate the hats, name this hat, or name the hat to custom wardrobe, and then you're going to do, and then what you're going to do is you're going to disable these. So you're going to drag. You're gonna do this. You're gonna not that. Is these? You're gonna duplicate. I'm just gonna do this one. I'm just gonna do What should I do? Um. I'm just gonna do mod menus, I guess. So you're gonna do right click on wardrobe. We're gonna create an empty. Name it mod menus. Menus. Then all these that we just duplicated right here will go inside mod menus. Mod menus will go inside custom wardrobe. And now you're going to disable the head models and the item. All of these should be disabled. So now what you're going to do is you're just going to duplicate this. Not that, sorry. Just duplicate them. Sorry. Drag these out of here. And then you're going to duplicate this. Or duplicate this. Oh wait, I'm such an idiot. That was fine. And you're going to put these back in there. Oopsies. Put them out of here. And now you're going to want to duplicate this. And then you're going to name this thing called mod menu, or with S, sorry guys. And now these will be going inside of your mod menus button, and then you could just like this. Mod menus will be going inside here. And now what you're going to want to do is go over and do whatever mod menu you want. So in that case, I'm just going to do a mod menu. And then credits to my friend Voltage for making this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to drag it on here. Make it perfectly. Scale it down how you guys want. And yeah, then you're going to do put on. You're going to do banana. I'm just going to import my files real quick. We're going to pick up banana with my new button. And then wait till the scripts compile. Put on, you're going to do the banana with my new button one. We're going to do press, plastic, and then you're going to do wardrobe item button 3. Objects to enable. What you're going to do is objects to enable. You're going to do the one we just dragged in, which is, where's it at? It's at the top. But objects to enable. You're going to want to go ahead and you're going to drag it inside here. And then, yeah, nothing for disable, just objects to enable. Now what you're going to want to do is go over here, and then you're going to do banana with menu button as well. And then you're going to do go press, and then you're going to drag in, you're going to do plastic. Okay, did not mean to do that, sorry guys. Plastic, press, and now for the button renderer, what you're going to do is you're going to drag inside mod menus into there. And, oh, I'm so sorry guys, you do not want to do, actually no, it's fine. That's the system and just mod menus. And then what you're going to want to do is objects to enable. You're going to want to go ahead and make sure this is in lock mode. Drag mod, or not mod menus, wait, hold on. I don't know if I'm going to do that. You're going to drag this into enable. And then you're going to want to also go ahead and quickly drag this down inside mod menus, and then you're gonna drag this inside objects to enable, just like that. Objects to disable, you're gonna disable all of these. And now, to make the mod menu actually work, what you're gonna want to do is drag out the mod menu. So I already have my mod menu, but I'm just gonna drag it out or duplicate this one, and then you're gonna drag it out a bit, and then you're just gonna scale it up. So I'm just gonna do one menu, so I'm just gonna do the movement, uh, movement, delete this, and then change the name of movement. Oh, I'm so sorry. Do not do that, guys. I made a mistake. But here you're just gonna keep that. But for this, what you're gonna do is not that. And now for movement, what you're gonna want to do is click on the text and then anywhere you want. I'm gonna do long arm or steam long arm for this one. Now click on the buttons like this up here. You're gonna want to make sure it is triggered and not is triggered. Sorry, not is triggered. You're gonna add a banana with menu button 1. You're gonna do press, and then you're gonna do button. That's whatever material you have right there. And then you do this one, and then objects to toggle. You're gonna click this, and then you're gonna do original press. You're gonna do button down there, and then for the toggle press, we're gonna do press. And then for the game object, what you're gonna want to do is in your hierarchy, you're gonna name this to whatever you want. So I'm gonna do steam long arms. But I already have one, so I'm not gonna do that one. Now you're gonna click on this, and you're gonna add the long arms. And then you're gonna do Gorilla Player. And then you're gonna go up to the button again. And then you're gonna do Dragon Steam long arms onto there. Now if you wanna make it like an actual like working thing, you're gonna perfectly put on your gorilla, just like I did. So I'm gonna do this real quick because I already have mine. And then what you're gonna want to do is click this, scroll down, and you're gonna do Steam or Open Menu Manager. You're gonna do whatever hand you're doing. I'm doing left, and then you're gonna drag Open Menu Parent. So make sure you don't unpack it, or you can do whatever you want. And you're gonna put this inside whatever hand. So you do hand, not palm, but you're gonna do hand. Now that you have that done, we're gonna be teaching you guys on how to add working materials. So you're gonna want to go ahead and duplicate this. And then you're gonna disable or delete this, and then what you're gonna want to do is we're gonna disable the other three over here. Now that you have that, oh, sorry guys, do not do that. I made a mistake, but you're gonna want to go ahead and duplicate this, and then turn off this, and then you're gonna want to duplicate this, and then turn like these. I don't know why there's. Oh wait, it's because I duplicate it. And now you're gonna name this materials or mats. And then you're gonna drag these onto here, and then you're gonna delete this. Now what you're gonna want to do is go ahead and make a mat. So just go to 3D object, sphere, and then scale it however you guys want your thing to look like. So make it look like that. And then you're gonna add the material onto there. So look up like green or something. Add green into there, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna do banana with main button. You're gonna do objects to enable. You're just gonna do you're gonna go over here, and you're gonna duplicate gorilla. Name this green or something. Or I'm just gonna do green gorilla. or not that, sorry. Green gorilla. And then you're going to turn off that other gorilla. Let me just turn off this one. Drag green onto there. And then you're going to disable this and enable the gorilla. Go back over here. And then you're going to do objects to enable. You're going to do green gorilla. And then objects to disable, you're going to just do normal gorilla. Normal gorilla. I'll find this gorilla. And then what you're also going to do is over on this materials, make sure it's separated. So we'll make sure this is separated. So let me do that real quickly. Make sure this is separated. You're going to want to add this. You're going to want to objects to enable. It's going to enable this onto there. And objects to disable, it's going to disable this on there. And then you're going to go back over to this. And then you're going to put on lock mode. Object to disable, you're going to do this. And now, once you click play, once you're done with that, you're going to turn off custom wardrobe. Or add this green thing on to custom materials, and then go back over, and then objects to enable. You're going to add the sphere, and then go back over here, and objects to disable, you're going to add the sphere. Now you're going to disable this whole thing, and enable this all. And then you're going to click play. Or not that. Sorry guys. You're going to want to go ahead and drag all this out there real quick. And keep this one enabled. Then you're going to want to go ahead and click play. Make sure the sphere is enabled. I'm so sorry guys. Make sure that sphere is enabled. I did not disable it. So you want to make sure these are disabled. And there you go. Then you're going to click play. Go to scene. And then you're going to find over. You're going to find this. You're going to click test press. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. We forgot to make this one actual work as well. You're going to do banana with menu button. You're going to do press. And then you're going to do plastic. And then you're going to do custom wardrobe. And then objects to enable. What you're going to do is put this in lock mode. And then you're going to add these two onto there. And then objects to disable, it will disable these. There you guys go. Now everything should be fully working, and it should have no errors, and it should be fully working. So click play. Go to scene. You're going to want to click test press, and then it should be fully working, as you see. So if you click hatch, this menu should open up. Test press, and then you should get the menu videos opening up. And if you do this, you're going to do test press, and then your color should turn green. Yes, there you go. And if you guys want me to make another tutorial, let me know. If you guys want to have this, credits to me, by the way, for making this. But if you guys want to have this in the Discord, I'll put it in the Discord for you guys to have it. Yeah, thank you guys for watching the tutorial. Like, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace out, guys.